Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create custom navigation buttons on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To create custom navigation buttons, we're gonna have to download and install the application, the Samsung application called Good Lock, which is available both in Google Play Store and the Galaxy Store. So just open one of them, the one that is closest to you, and then search for the Good Lock application and install it. Wait until this application is installed and then open it. Then tap agree and continue, and then navigate to NavStar application, download it, and once you download and install it, select buttons at the bottom and switch the buttons on, then tap OK and select buttons navigation. And now we can either use some presets that we have here to change the look of the navigation buttons. For example, here we have some cute ones with kittens and puppies, and we can also set a new configuration by tapping new configuration, and here we can change the icon for each of the buttons. We can either use one of the preset ones, or we can go to the gallery and select some photo we have in our gallery. Now we're gonna need to crop it in order to proceed, so let's crop it like this and tap done, and now this will be our recent button. Let's save it, and as you can see right now we have a custom button with a photo on it, and this way we can basically adjust and customize all the buttons. On our navigation bar. We can also change the button layout, and we can add extra buttons to our layout, and then tap done to apply changes, then save. And now we have 5 different buttons on our navigation bar. And so that's how you customize your bar. I hope you have fun with it. And that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.